My name is Max Freifeld. I am one of the founders and the CEO of Voodoo Manufacturing. Voodoo was founded here in Brooklyn, and actually the majority of our customers are right here in New York. On our website, almost 50% of our orders are pickup. And so it's absolutely critical that we're located here because one of our core value adds is the speed of our service. So customers can come onto our website, upload a file, and pick up their orders as soon as next day. The manufacturing's here, there are employees here, you have engineers, you have software engineers, you have designers. New York kind of has all of the components that you need to build a hardware company today. One of the core advantages of integrating robotics into the factory is that we can produce parts more cost effectively. So as Voodoo grows, if we double our output, we're probably not going to double the number of employees in the factory, but we're passing those savings directly on to customers. And at the core, that is what is going to allow Voodoo to compete with injection molding companies or similar manufacturing companies in places like China, India, Bangladesh, or other parts around the world. One of our favorite charities that we supported was the Enable Community Foundation. Enable, as it's called, which is now called Limb Forge, is a company that manufactures plastic, cheap prosthetic hands and delivers them to children in third world countries who don't have access to that technology. So we manufacture them here for about $25 a piece, and then they're assembled at kind of these Limb Forge organized assembly hackathons, and then shipped around the world to basically whoever needs them. I think we're looking forward to a future where manufacturing is not this big, expensive, difficult process where you have to be an engineer just to get started. You have to be working with a company in China or somewhere else in the US that requires all of these complex blueprints. We think that 3D printing is going to enable the future of on-demand manufacturing. And that's really where the future of manufacturing is. That is the next phase for manufacturing. On-demand manufacturing is the idea of only manufacturing the parts and products you need just in time for when you need them. And so we actually integrate with a lot of small businesses, entrepreneurs, and companies who are running businesses on top of Voodoo, where their customer will order a part online. It will be routed directly into our factory and automatically manufactured and shipped to that customer. So we don't hold any inventory. We don't have to guess quantities, or that company didn't have to order tens of thousands of units up front to hit some economies of scale. Everything is made on demand, and it's much more efficient, it's more environmentally friendly, and it allows businesses built on top of Voodoo to start without significant upfront costs.